Hi guys. If Lanky is watching that, I'll love it if they're watching this, and I hope you put me in your unboxing video for the baby plushies because I just got something. So yeah. So let's open it up. Yeah. Comes with a card. But first, let's review this. Her head is really soft, and her one ear is down and one ear is kind of up, and you can actually take off her diaper, but I don't want to because I've tried before and I needed a bunch of help to put it back on, so yeah. Now I'll read the card. So, it looks like this. Hi, I'm Baby Foxy. I'm a great friend, and I'm so excited to go on adventures with you. Adam and Justin said thank you for all the love and support. So, yeah, she's really high quality. Wait, what do you want to say? Wait. Sorry, Foxy. I dropped her. So, Foxy, Baby Foxy, what do you want to say? Get milky, why? She says, Baby Foxy says, get Milky to feed them some milk. And she wants donuts every day. Feed them some milk.